Hi everyone, it's Artist from Carpentry. Just a catch-up video. What I've realised, I haven't told you how I working out doors, the widths for the doors. So in this case, you're gonna have 4 doors here, so that means you're gonna have 5 gaps. I always allow about 4 millimeters gap for veneer doors, because you got veneer 2 sides, so it will leave you with about 3 millimeter gap on a door, which is enough, more than enough, and that gives you adjustment. Also, what I try to do, and it has worked very well, is I'm having a I'm using my parallel guide. So I will work out all the doors by taking the width of the cupboard, then I will divide it. I'll take less, say if I got 4 doors, I'll have 5 gaps. I'll say 5 times 4, that's for the gaps, allowing for veneer. Then I will cut all doors parallel with my parallel guide cut, just to make my life a little bit easier, and then I will swing them all. I'll hinge them, swing them, and once I'm happy with the gaps, I can take them off and veneer them. So that's the plan, because you don't want to be veneering them before you actually check all the gaps, just in case, you know, you need to cut somewhere, and then lastly you would veneer them. That's why I find it easiest. I have done it before when I do individually door by door, and you just end up re-veneering a few edges, you know. It always for some reason happens. So to save yourself time in the long run, measure the width, take off 4 millimeters for each gap, however many doors you have. As I said, I've got 4 doors, so 5 gaps. So 5 times 4 is 20 mil, and then divide it equally, so you got the same doors. And yeah, swing them first, and then do veneering as a last thing after you've done your trimming up and everything else, so you don't have to come back to it.